Hello and welcome. So from next videos, we are going to make a TicTacToe game. Some people also call this game as 0 and X game. So let's just see how the game would look like. So this is how our game would look like. So it's a 2-player game. Player 1 and player 2 has to play this game. So right now at above, you can see it's a player 1's turn. So let's see, player 1 has mark 0 over there, or I would just say X over there. Now this game is very simple. So if any pair that is same in either horizontal, vertical or in diagonal line, the player would win the game. Okay, so right now the player 1 has marked his X here, that means here. Now let's just say that player 2 would mark 0 here. Now again player 1 will mark X here, so the player 2 would mark 0 over there. Now player 1 would mark X here, so it will win the game. And here we can see that the score is updated to 1, and right now there is a turn of player 1 and the player 2 score is 0. Okay, so let's just repeat this game. So now again, let's say player 1 has marked X here, player 2 would mark 0 over there. Now player 1 would mark X here, player 2 would mark X 0 here. Now the player 1 would mark X here, now the player 2 would mark 0 here. So now player 2 has won the game. So here we can see the score is 1. So both the user have 1-1 score, and currently there is a turn of player 1. Now we can play this game as many times as we want. So let me just right now give some symbols. So I would write 0 here, I would write X here, then again I would write 0 here. So now again the player 2 has won the game. So this is how the game would look. So let's just try to make this game from next video. So we'll see you there. Thank you.